Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Samsung's latest addition to its premium tablet lineup is right around the corner, and the hype is real. The Galaxy Tab S10 Plus is gearing up to set new benchmarks, combining top-tier hardware with an enhanced software experience that redefines what a tablet can do. With the pre-reservation window now closed, all eyes are on Samsung to make its grand reveal soon. For those who've been following the leaks, prominent tipster Mystery Lopin recently shared a video leak that hints at what we can expect. The Galaxy Tab S10 Plus might not look drastically different at first glance, but the devil is in the details. Samsung seems to be focusing on refining its aesthetics with subtle improvements in ergonomics, material quality, and durability. This anti-reflective technology, if confirmed, will significantly reduce glare, making binge-watching your favorite series or sketching under natural light a more comfortable experience. The Super AMOLED screen is expected to be brighter and crisper than before, delivering punch-eye colors and deep blacks. Samsung is emphasizing software innovations in the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus to push the boundaries of productivity and creativity. Two of the standout new features are Circle to Search and Sketch to Image. Imagine this: you circle a word or image with this pen, and the tablet intelligently searches related content or definitions almost like a mini search engine right at your fingertips. This is ideal for students and researchers who often need to look up content on the fly. The device is rumored to feature up to 16 GB of RAM and storage options starting from 256 GB all the way up to 1 TB, catering to both casual users and professionals alike. Battery life is another area where Samsung aims to excel. The Tab S10 Plus is rumored to house an 11.50 mAh battery, which could translate to all-day usage even with demanding tasks. While cameras aren't typically a tablet standout feature, Samsung is stepping up its game with the Tab S10 Plus. Their camera setup might include a dual sensor system with a 13-megapixel main sensor and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. These cameras will be optimized for video calling, document scanning, indeed even casual photography. Up front, there's a 12-megapixel camera equipped with advanced facial recognition capabilities and enhanced AI features that help in low-light scenarios. Early rumors indicate that the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus could start at $999 for the 256GB model, while the high-end Tab S10 Ultra might go as high as $199 for the 512GB version. So are you excited about the new Galaxy Tab S10 Plus? What are the features that you're most looking forward to? Drop a comment below and let's keep the discussion going. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates on Samsung's newest devices. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.